So now we're going to do part one of assembly of the scooter. We've taken everything out of the box, and now we're going to go through how to properly assemble the scooter. So as you can see, it comes bubble wrapped like this for safe shipment. You want to just take off all of these holders. Again, just using a box cutter. Carefully take off the bubble wrap. So here's your handlebars and the scooter itself. Stand the scooter up for assembly. All you have to do is push down on this lever, pull it up, and it locks into place. Put the kickstand down, and you're ready to assemble the handlebars.